Welcome to PEDECO, the Philippine Globe Energy Development Corporation and the country's leading integrated waste technology management and manufacturing facility. The TX5000 is self-sustaining, can be operated off-grid, has no direct incineration, and can process 5 metric tons of toxic, hazardous, and medical wastes daily. This machine is definitely compliant with all environmental laws. Biomethanation is an effective solid waste management solution, and the PEDECO utilizes a special integration process that rapidly decomposes biodegradable waste. The BM3500K can process up to 35 metric tons of wastes daily.
Ang pagbabago po ng klima ay dulot ng tinatawag nating anthropogenic activity o yung human activity. Kasama po dito ay ang problema tungkol sa basura. Ang nakikita ho nating makina dito ay isang technology innovation. Ang makinang ito ang magre-resolba sa ating problema sa basura. We are introducing this kind of machine in order for us to solve our problem with regards to mixed waste, including ang problema ho natin tungkol sa medical waste, toxic waste at industrial waste under Republic Act 6969. At pakikita ko po sa inyo ang ating production ng liquid biofuel. Ayan po. Ayan ang basaganang premium diesel. We have now 468 at PEDECO Thermo. This is our reactor. At this stage, we are now producing methane. The methane that we produce is the one being used to sustain our thermolysis process. Yan po ang methane. There we have the methane.
It can generate energy, meaning electricity. They can also produce yung organic materials. Pwede yan pang agrikultura yon.
Pagkasama ang environment at climate change, ibig sabihin, iniisip ng politiko ang kinabukasan ng ating mga anak at ang ating mga magiging anak.
Itong teknolohiyang ito ay naiko-convert namin into energy, especially methane, ash, diesel, and fertilizer.
Lalo na dito sa ating probinsya para po magkaroon ng isang waste-to-energy project.
Generates its own fuel to process waste. So, we invite everyone to be part of this revolutionary, responsible, and sustainable solution.
Huwag nating pabayaang madehado ang Pilipino. You ask me why? Walang magmamahal sa Pilipinas kung hindi tayong mga Pilipino. Maraming salamat.
Livable, sustainable, no? Communities in the whole world. Ganon dapat tayo mag-vision.
Ngayon po ay plant mechanic dito po sa Lingayen, PEDECO.
Maraming salamat sa bagong pag-asa.
Ako po ay isang dating basurero na nag-aral sa TESDA, accredited. Ngayon po ay isang plant mechanic. Salamat po sa PEDECO Green Technology.